As an attorney, I could not believe it. Eric Snowden told us about the secret prosecutors. Fit, when did we ever learn in law school that they were secret government prosecutors? When did we learn that they were secret judges? When did we learn that there were secret courts? Fit and I, we were trained to defend this country legally, to administer the laws. They never told me and Fit about the secret prosecutors, never told us about these secret courts.
Yo, what's happening? It's your boy Papa Dope back with another video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Double salute to everybody been going to Ubuntu Apparel.com. Thank y'all so much. I really appreciate it. And if you're on YouTube, man, you can go right below, get your sweater, get your hoodie or shirt. That's how y'all can help me with this journey. And double salute to all my monthly subscribers, man. I can't thank y'all enough, okay? If you paid attention to the video I just showed you, right? You're talking about somebody that went to school, went to college, paid money, right? Just to be deceived. He don't know nothing about these secret courts, secret judges, secret lawyers. What is a secret? A secret is something that somebody don't want you to know. Point blank, period. That's why they got secret societies. We all have to speak a language or some type of form of communication to communicate. That's why they go in secrecy, right? And a lot of these words you think are words, you may not think or may not know the true meaning of them, but they do. This is how they operate amongst us. Why is it a secret? I told y'all, if you know anything about the court system, you should look up what legalese are. That's a whole nother language that they are not going to teach you. This is how they can say shit to you without saying it. When you go register your car, that means you're going to give your car over to the king, or in this case, the government. Register means to give over something to the king. Remember, back in the days, the king owned everything. The word hell is not underground. Hell is where debtors, like if you in debt with the king or the government, however you want to put it, is a place you go when you owe money. What that sound like? Jail. Go look up what legalese is, man. When I told y'all, man, when you go into these court systems, you really involve yourself in the game that you don't even fucking know how to play, because they're not going to teach you. I told y'all what straw man's was. Most people still don't know what a straw man is. I'm gonna give it to y'all. I know y'all probably heard me say it a million times, but for those who haven't heard, what is a straw man? A straw man is if you go get your mail, any type of business. It could be your credit card. It could be your car insurance. Your name gonna be in all caps. Your personal you is your first letter of your name gonna be capital. The rest gonna be lowercase. That's the personal you. So you got a business entity of you and you got a personal entity of you. These people have created a business of you because you can't do business to person. It has to be business to business. Sound like some bullshit, but this is how they operate. Okay, that's what a straw man is. So anytime you're doing business with the government, your name in all caps. Anytime you do something personal, your first letter is all caps, and the rest are gonna be lowercase. Why is that? You have to understand you playing a game that you don't know exists. You see what I'm saying? So when you go to court, they say, are you such and such, such, such? You raise your hand, you say, I am. You just gave them permission, right, to hold you accountable for your business entity of you. This shit sound crazy, but I'm telling y'all, bro, you have to go look this shit up. So your business entity of you, your straw man, you just gave them permission to hold you accountable for your second entity of you. Shit sound crazy, but it's the truth. And it's crazy, like I say, go look up what legalese are, man. This shit gonna blow your mind. And I like to bring this stuff to y'all in its most simplistic form so that you can see just simply, it's a bunch of bullshit. That's all it is, a bunch of bullshit. The family courts is the worst. If you look at how sometimes the judge be the lawyer, sometimes the lawyer be the judge, they could bring back retired judges, pay them to come and to rule over whatever they got going on, right? That's why I say this whole court system is so fucked up. You got the land of the law, then you got the land of the sea. Two different things. Two different things. What's the land of the law? I'm gonna say the land of the law of the land. Totally different than the land of the law of the sea. This is why when you get on a casino boat, you got to go so far out before you could gamble. This shit illegal. What I'm trying to tell y'all is this, right? When you look at how they conquered civilizations through paperwork, which is a papal bull. What is a papal bull? A papal bull is where the the Pope give the permission to settlers. The word settler ain't what you think it is. Remember, legalese. Settlers are just people who go and discover and take over people's shit. That's what a settler is. Because you're going to settle in somebody else's shit. Because if it was yours, you wouldn't be settling, nigga. You'll be already there. The word residence means you're just staying there, not permanently, just for a small portion of time. So when these settlers go, this papal bull give them the Pope give them the permission through a papal bull. It's a piece of paper to say you can go, you can pillage, you can steal, subjugate, you can take, and you can and put these people in bondage. But most important, you convert them to Christians. And you got this command from the Pope through a piece of paper, a letter. They still got these papal bulls, right? That's in the Vatican. They still have letters from the kings that's sending these popes, not popes, but sending these evangelists and these preachers over to Africa and giving them the permission to brainwash the Africans. Why would white people go to a black continent with their religion? And you have black people, the first ones that'll get mad at you because you want to tell them about their own religion. This is a brainwashing. Some of these people so brainwashed ain't shit you can do for them because ain't nothing can do for themselves. And all I'm saying is, bro, just use common sense. This is bigger than just getting up, going to school, complying to what the world say does. No, nigga, this is a whole nother type of conditioning. When a person converts you from a lion to a hyena, that's basically what it is. If I had to put it in an example, you're not being who you are because you don't know where you come from. You're going to be stripped of your history. You're going to be stripped of everything around you. I keep telling y'all, bro, this world ain't nothing but a fucking soul prison. That's all it is. And I can prove this shit time and time and time again, right? Bro, it's just sad that all of us, no matter what color you are, we've all been lied to, bro. You've been stripped. These people have told you the same shit I said all over the world because that's where it starts. Until you realize that none of this shit matters. Nothing else matters until you realize everything they taught you was a lie. You can't get past nothing until you realize you've been lied to, brother. Oh, you breathe in the air. That's the air. What the fuck? Oh, you supposed to eat this. Why do you eat that? Because they can't, they spend money to dispose it, so they promote you to drink milk, even though that shit got pus and blood in it. Anybody who in the dairy industry will tell you that. Milk has pus and blood in it. For them to go look at what the Red River is. Go YouTube it. The milk. It's called the Red River. They buy land and they create these little lakes or let's say Red Lake or Red River, one of them motherfuckers. And that milk turns red, right? When they dispose it. So instead of them disposing it, they'll just promote it to us. We are walking garbage disposals. Don't even know it. Because it costs them money to get rid of a cow tongue, a cow head, a cow foot. Fuck it, we'll sell it to y'all. But what I'm telling you is this, man. You've been deceived your whole life. Just like this brother been deceived. Just like we all been deceived. Everybody's been deceived. Because when you come into this world, there's a set of rules and a set of things that they want you to do and comply with. They ain't got your consent. They ain't ask you if you're okay with it. You just comply with that shit. And based on who you are, where you at in the world, what color you are, here come your script. So don't look at this shit like, oh, we going to court. Man, fuck court. They're just regular people that are lying. Regular people that have brainwashed us, because you got officers that'll come and take your ass to jail because they've been told to do a job. That's a whole nother brainwashing. Just saying with this ICE shit. How can you as a man that got children can go to another man and take his children from him in the name of a job, in the name of money? You've been brainwashed, ass. You see what I'm saying? Like, think about what I'm saying, because I told you school take away your critical thinking. Think about this shit. You think I'm going to leave my kids to go to another man's family and take his from him and call yourself a Christian or call yourself a church-going person? Man, you full of shit. The people that run this world ain't who you think they are. And I just try to tell y'all this shit, man. Like, people clown me when I talk to them about what Silvertor Mortis was. Like, I made this shit up. Man, they clowned me for that shit. Instead of going and researching the shit. silvator mortis. When you become a convicted felon as a man or a woman, by law, you are considered a dead man because you can't compete no more. Okay? There's thousands and thousands, right, of collateral consequences when you become a convicted felon. Don't be a clown me like, oh my God. This is why I only speak to those who gonna listen. And you don't have to take my word, bro. Go research that shit for yourself. You got a smartphone. Go do some smart shit. Maybe you could teach me something. I'm coming to you and I'm telling you these things. Go check it out for yourself, okay? Another thing I want y'all to do, I got books. This is one of them. I talk about this book all the time. This is The Art of War by Sun Tzu. And I tell y'all, go grab this book. It's on my go into my description of all my YouTube videos. I got a lot of other books too that you can go and get. The Art of War. It will change your motherfucking mind. It'll change your perception of how you see war. Because people think war is two people shooting at each other. You think that's war. Man, it's all types of wars that you have no idea of. Because your perception of war is just two motherfuckers shooting at each other. Two people disagreeing. Get the book. All you gotta do is click the link, grab the book, and then a couple dollars. $9 maybe, I think it is, something like that. Go get the book. Along with other books that I have listed on that list that'll help you. And you can see from different perspectives on what the fuck is going on. Because guess what? They ain't gonna teach you this shit in school. I guarantee you, you'll never learn this. Because if we teach you this, oh boy, now we're compromising ourselves by teaching you something that you can take and use against us, and we will never do that. All right? All right. It's your boy Papa Dope, man. All praises due, man. I appreciate y'all. Put your comments on the bottom of this video. I'm going to be changing up my styles of videos. I'm going to be adding videos to my videos to give y'all a more graphical view of what may be going on. And, just switch it up a little bit. But until then, man, like I say, man, double salute. Thank y'all so much, man. Like I tell y'all all the time, in order for you to be found, you must first be lost. And that's real. All right? Y'all be blessed.